I'm Tracy Dial, and this is NWPB's Weekly News Now. It is a crisis. A shortage of counselors is very much affecting rural Northwest towns. The shortage is across the board, all across the country, but it's really pronounced in smaller places. About a third of the U.S. population lives in an area short on mental health providers. Of those people, 2/3 are in rural or partially rural places. All that's according to the Department of Health and Human Services. The need is very clear, but solutions, those are harder to come by.
There's always been tremendous need, and it's a challenging field.
Substance use, depression, grief, all of those can be tough to get help with when no one's available. Hear from some folks in small towns around the Northwest, providers and people looking for providers, sometimes for months. That's online at nwpb.org. Now remember, if you or someone you know is struggling, support is always available. You can call or text the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. Continuing coverage now from Tacoma. NWPB's Lauren Gallup has been tracking the budget, and the city council there is moving the city budget forward. If you recall, there was some contention with the fire department budget, an additional almost $2.5 million now going to the fire budget. This is the next 2-year budget for the city, and staff there have spent months working to balance a predicted $24 million structural deficit. Here is Interim Fire Chief Sienna Stallings-Alima.
The 2.5 would give us a little breathing room to kind of work out some of those details for next year.
Overall, the city still had to make cuts. It will eliminate 25 positions in January. To learn more about the budget over the next 2 years, just head to our website. Now, Falastin in the Valley. A chance encounter between two strangers in Leavenworth leads to a celebration of Palestinian culture.
My name is Anur Isa, or in Arabic, Anur Isa. We wanted to show people how beautiful Palestinian culture is.
More than 200 people showed up for the celebration. There was food, dancing, some speeches. It also served as a fundraiser. An audio postcard from the event is at nwpb.org. You can find even more on NWPB's Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube pages. I'm Tracy Dial with your NWPB Weekly News Now. Thank you for joining us.